Hi everyone. Now here I have set a woodland tablescape for two on a budget. Come on with me, guys. Now this video is part of a collaboration called Tablescape Tuesdays, and that's my favorite time of the week. Tablescape Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now this week there is no guest, it is freestyle, and I cannot wait to see you there. Now when I decorated this tablescape, I wanted to bring the outdoors in because it is a rainy day today and we're going to keep it outdoorsy, so I wanted to do greenery, I wanted to do lantern, cozy and warm. So I'm absolutely loving that centerpiece with that lantern, and we can't forget about that bee. So this is absolutely gorgeous, guys. Now let's move on over to the place setting. So we're going to start out here. Well, first, look how this looks. Gorgeous. We're going to start out here with this napkin fold, which is in this green napkin was gifted to me, and I folded it in a bow. So that came out beautiful. Then we have this leaf collection dish, which I thrifted. I am loving it. This was perfect for this tablescape. Then I purchased these melamine plates at Walmart, and look how beautiful they look. Now the charger, I thrifted that at the Goodwill, and I'm loving it. Nice and thick wooden charger. This was a great find. Then we have the woven placemat, and that came from Hobby Lobby. And then we have the flatware, which I purchased a while ago, this gold flatware from Party City. So that was a nice find. Okay, then we're going to move on over to that wine glass, and that wine glass, I love the shape of it. This came from the Dollar Tree. Very simple, outdoorsy. That garland, that leafy garland that you see in the centerpiece, that also came from the Dollar Tree. The lantern was a thrifted item. I got that at a great find. And then we have the candles. The candles I purchased at Dollar Tree, the candle holders, they also came from the Goodwill. So this was a nice budget-friendly woodland tablescape. Now at first I went ahead and placed that bow napkin on the top, but I kind of like it over on the side more, so that's where we're keeping it. Nice and simple woodland tablescape on a budget, guys. And I didn't want to overload the table with too much confusion, so light and airy as well. Now, elegant doesn't mean that you can't keep it simple, minimalistic, and so I really love how this lantern came out as well. I did keep the lantern bee theme with that beautiful bouquet on top and the buffalo check bow. So we're gonna head on over to the reveal. hope you enjoyed the inspiration. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.